Central Terminal.
It's been a bit since I've actually Wait, what's on the bottom side?
Oh no, that's a pony.
Pony?
Yeah, we love the look. What is it? Profit. Profit. I'm a busy bitch. I get it.
Yeah, this feels like it'll be fun. This look, because I can do like weird.
I was thinking,
I can do that.
yeah, 100%. Whatever you're comfortable with, please.
That should work. It's a very cool girl.
Very Soho chic.
Yes.
Let's start some squatting ones. And no, I'm not lazy. Right there, yeah, and then kind of play with your pony. Ready? Relax your arm. Swing a little. Yeah, queen. Do whatever you feel is right. I trust.
Do you want to be in it?
I'm always up. Do they have like that hotel and shit? Oh, nice. Not yet.
I was still super hungry, so I went to this Trader Joe's, which is actually right in underneath Queensboro Bridge, I want to say is what it's called. So I walked in to go get some stuff and then headed home. Ignore the terrible lighting, but I was walking home and I found that giant mirror, and I'm gonna make space for it because I have kind of like a vanity setup. This is very New York. Excuse the mess. This is the genuine aftermath of having a photo shoot day and having to get ready for it. So you can see my hair is crazy, but I think I'm gonna put it right there and then I might paint it. You can see it kind of fits. It's very New York that I found it on the street, so I'll probably just paint it. But that's all. So much for watching my channel. Please subscribe to see more things, and then the photo shoot results will probably be out in the next 2 to 3 weeks on Instagram and edited. My Instagram is going to be linked below so you can check it out. But thanks so much for watching my channel. See you back here soon. Bye.